We also recently that for the first time ever in the history, there was an attack through drones on Indian Air Force Base in Jammu, injuring at least 2 airmen. Border Security Forces Chief Rakesh Asthana on Friday said that this incident of drones dropping bombs on Indian Air Force Base is a serious and dangerous threat to the national security. He also mentioned that there is urgent need to develop technology to counter this challenge. Now, how are these drones really posing threat to our national security? We'll understand that. Ladies and gentlemen, you're watching the News Trumpet. This is Rakshita.
This is the first incident of a drone-based attack in the country, which had been feared for long within the defense and security establishment. While Pakistan has been using drones for supply of arms and ammunition to terror networks in Punjab and Jammu and Kashmir, this is for the first time the system has been used to carry out an attack. According to officials dealing with the national security, drones pose a challenge not only on the western borders but are being used off late by Naxalites also in the left-wing extremism affected areas. There is no suitable technology yet to thwart drones. Drones can't be detected by radars deployed at border areas to monitor enemy activity. Hence, there is a need for a different radar system that can detect drones as small as a bird. According to the Indian Air Force, radars can detect some military drones but not small quadcopters. There are special curve radars for smaller and slower flying unmanned aerial vehicles. But the effort so far has been to educate troops on ground and police to identify the threat and then neutralize it. There is a need for comprehensive plan and plan of action to check the menace of drones. Every agency, be it at the borders or in cities or airports, needs to have specific responsibility along with required technology tools.